What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the cabin air filter in a 2026 GMC Terrain. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement cabin air filters if you're in need. So the cabin air filter is going to be located behind the glove box. In order to get to it, we need to open the glove box. Then if we take a look on the right hand side, there's this latch right here. I'm just going to get a finger around it like this and pop that off. Now what we need to do is fold the glove box down, and there's two stops that are holding it up. One up here that I'm touching with my finger, and there's another one just like it on that side. So what I'm going to do is push in towards the center of the glove box. So push in, and then that will allow that to come down a little bit. Come over here and do the same thing. If you have both your hands free, it's easier to do these both at the same time. So once we get that pushed down, that glove box will come down, and then it's just sitting on the hinges, so it'll come off like that. That's fine. Now if we take a look in behind here, you can see right here where this says cabin filter door. That's what we're going to remove next. So there's on the right hand side, there's these pinch clips right here. These clips will just pinch together like that. And then I'll pull that off, and you may need to use both your hands to get that fully off. Once we get that off, we can see our actual filter right here. And this cabin filter will just slide out of here like this. When you slide your new filter in, you want to pay attention to these airflow arrows. You want your airflow arrows pointing down towards the ground. So we come in here, slide our new filter in, again with our airflow arrows pointing down towards the ground. And now we're going to reverse everything we just did to close it up. So we'll grab our cabin filter door. There was these pinch clips on the right-hand side. On the left-hand side is just a tab. And if you can see, that tab fits in that little notch like that. Then that door will clip on. Then we're going to grab our glove box, and there's these 4 hinges on the bottom that we're going to line up. So line those 4 hinges up, and then just pick that up until those 2 stops clear. And then the final thing we need to do is reattach this latch. That'll just push on there like that. And that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.